माय न्यू प्रोजेक्ट अभी तक तो कुछ साइन नहीं किया है. कृष्णदासी के बाद मे बी आई एम जस्ट not waiting because right now I'm very busy with my radio show. I'm going to start a new radio show जो कि बहुत interesting concept के साथ आ रहा है. We are also making those videos, so we are going to upload them soon on YouTube so that you can see those videos, and उसमें बहुत surprise packages होने वाले हैं. तो वो क्या है I'm going to let you know by the end of February I think. But no TV shows for me right now, no like television soaps for me right now. But yeah, this show that I'm doing for radio, it's also going to be on YouTube, so you can just log in.
सनसनी खबर ये है कि सना ने एक्टिंग छोड़ दिया, आरजे शुरू
पागल. आरजे तो मैं वैसे भी थी, मैंने कभी नहीं छोड़ी थी आरजे. दैट्स माय लाइक प्रोफेशनल फर्स्ट लव. लेकिन या टीवी जब भी होगा आई डेफिनेटली लेट यू ऑल नो. अभी टीवी में कुछ भी नहीं है. और क्या था उसका सेकंड क्वेश्चन? हाउ इज लाइफ आफ्टर केडी?
वो तो मैंने बोल दिया.
It's been busy again. We are going to chop it off. So life after KD is busy again. दूसरी चीज़ों में मैं व्यस्त हूँ. And please don't encourage me on my singing videos so much because I might just come up with a single very soon and like pagao you on Insta again. So yeah, if you all will encourage me, then I'll come up with a single very soon. That's what I'm working on. I think so.
So next is Samyukta Paudel. I don't know how to pronounce this. Paudel. Sorry, मैं सिर्फ कर रहा हूँ. Samyukta, to keep it simple. And for both of us, any plans for Bollywood? अरे भाई प्लान कैसे करते हैं ऐसे चीज़? पता नहीं, कोई प्लान नहीं चल रही है. Honestly, Samyukta, मतलब it's not the way it looks, but so there's no plans as such.
My answer would be the same like what he said.
We can't plan these things actually.
Yeah,
so let's see. Where would you like to see yourself in the next 10 years?
Again, we can't plan. So at least for myself, I would answer that I've always gone with the flow. So I don't think I would plan कि next 10 years के बाद ऐसा होगा वैसा होगा. नहीं.
Almost kind of. I've been a little bit of a planner in my life, but I've tried and learned to not plan much. So there are no plans as such. I just can hope that I'll be busy because I would like to just be busy. I mean, I don't know what I'll be doing. Probably acting only, but yeah. But I would like to be busy to keep it more in general rather. I don't know, to be, if you ask me in precise what I would be doing. Did you ever thought or imagine that you will become this famous? First thing is, I don't feel famous. I don't know if Sana feels famous.
No. But I always knew that I'm going to do something in entertainment field only. Whatever, be it RJing, be it acting. I don't know, but like I'd also planned that I'll become a teacher just to be famous in the school. So I don't know. I knew that I'm going to do something in because teachers, I know entertainment field नहीं है. लेकिन I just I never planned to be famous, but I think somewhere I wanted to be famous. But I'm not famous yet. Like not like how one should be, but I'm okay. I'm content with whatever fame I have, little bit, whatever it is. Like talking to you people is also a big achievement for me. I never thought of this as well. So yeah, that is achievement.
This question actually isn't relevant to this. I really don't feel famous much. And the next question is, how do you describe each other in one word? I think पहले ही इस तरह के सवाल पूछा गया. I feel I'm boring, so I always tell I'm boring.
Each other, donkey.
How do you describe each other? No.
Each other means in one word.
No, वैसा नहीं है.
Yourself होता ना पे.
Each other. How do you describe
this whole no, listen na, I have started reading this. I was right.
Okay, let it be.
सही पढ़ा मैंने. ये जो है जनरल क्वेश्चन दोनों के लिए था. So how do you feel each other? Like describe. How would you describe in one word? How would I describe? That's what it means. If you want to give the other answer also, then we can do that also.
Yeah, what if she's asked that answer?
Okay, then answer then. I feel if this means कि I need to tell myself or describe myself in one word, then I'm boring.
Myself? Interesting.
We'll do it both.
Boring, interesting.
Okay, then about me, then if you think that is what it means.
I don't know, I think you got this boring word from me only. Because I had told you once
This has been, I've been thinking from the day I was born.
Okay,
So
because once I
you
had
knew me
told
from
him.
2 years, not one year.
1 year, yeah. But I told somebody asked me how's your co-actor. He's quite boring and like yeah. So I think इसके सामने ही बोला था, इसको बुरा नहीं लगता है इस बात का. So it's okay, I can say that in front of him. But boring मतलब not that के he's boring. That's on a fun part. But yeah, he is a very good listener. I think if you ask me something positive about him, that he's a very good listener and I quite like लिसनर एज इन फॉर एवरीवन, लाइक जो भी इससे बात करता है, कभी कभी अपना स्पेस्ड आउट होता है, कभी कभी नाटक करता है दिखाने के लिए दैट इज लिसनिंग टू समबडी, बट देन दैट यू कैन मेक आउट एटलीस्ट इन 1 year आई हैव अंडरस्टूड दैट. सो yeah, and at the same time he's quite a lost person, so ठीक है, that even I am.
Okay, next question. What do you have to say about your fans? Fans आपके बहुत है, आप बताओ. So if I have to describe her in one word, whatever little I know about her, I feel she's quite a fighter. I feel, to whatever little I know about her.
मतलब not that लड़ाई,
Not that
लड़ाकू
fighter.
fighter नहीं.
Like in spirit, as a person, she is quite a fighter. I feel. Especially for the height she has got. That's a bad joke, but in real sense, fighter, not in the sense of fighting, but in life in general. Next question is, what do you have to say about your fans? आपके पास ज़्यादा फैंस है, आप बताइए.
आपको गिफ्ट देख के लगता है कि मेरे पास बहुत ज़्यादा फैंस है, गिफ्ट देख के पता चल गया होगा कि किसके पास ज़्यादा फैंस है. और हमारे इंटरनेट पे इतनी सारी लड़कियां होती है जो वो चॉपीनेस के साथ, इतनी सारी स्पैरोज होती हैं कि वो सारी वो प्यारी चिड़िया, मतलब बोलने का मतलब है हिंदी में चिड़िया.
No, अभी cover up कर रही हो.
हिंदी में चिड़िया बोलो तो बहुत क्यूट लगता है ना, स्पैरो बोलो तो you guys got it ना, what I'm trying to say. Of course they did. So these cute girls and all, like of course they like Shravan more. So yeah, जैसे कि देखा आपने, like गिफ्ट्स हमारे 100% लड़कियों की तरफ से आए हैं, तो फैंस किसके पास है आपको दिख रहा है. बट स्टिल जितने भी हमारे एडमायरर्स हैं, जितने भी लोगों ने हमें प्यारे प्यारे गिफ्ट्स भेजे हैं, जिन्होंने नहीं भी भेजे हैं, नहीं भी लेटर्स लिखे हैं, नहीं भी कमेंट करते हैं हमारे इंस्टा पे, आई थिंक ईच वन ऑफ यू इज़ वेरी 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 प्रेशियस. एंड I read all the comments as far as I'm concerned. I may not reply to everybody, but then they are very sweet and yeah, मुझे पूरा spirit और पूरी energy बहुत अच्छी लगती है when you guys send us love, because then we like to give it back through our performances or through entertaining you all. So yeah, that's my message.
What I have to say about you people is, honestly, it's very surprising for me every time whenever I get these gifts. अभी तो शो भी ख़त्म हो चुका है. और in general, I've always been surprised, pleasantly, but been really surprised a lot of times. It's overwhelming, and I don't know, yeah, because I still don't know whatever little work I have done. I still don't know if this is what I have is like this amount of love or whatever is even worth it for, if I did something like that. But it's overwhelming and very surprising. These are the 2 words I can say, but thank you. It means a lot. It really means it. Thank you so much. From the bottom of my heart, as always. Thank you so much. Yes, Samyukta. That's all. Those were your questions. This is from सॉरी, इसमें नाम नहीं है, पर सवाल ये है कि I want to ask them how much they miss Katie and each other, and there is any chance to watch their jodi again because they love their jodi. इसका जवाब ये है कि जो दूसरा सवाल है इसमें, any chance to watch their jodi again, that we really don't know unless Sana becomes a producer and Ejaz decides to direct us. Casting, you know. You know he'll never direct you and me. Never. Because I don't know, it's actually we are lucky enough we'll be casted. Already जानते एक दूसरे को, so it'll be really fun working. Script की भी बात होती है, fit होना भी एक बात होती है. So we can just hope for it. Not in our hands at all. We can only hope for it. And how much do we miss Katie? How much do you miss Katie?
How much I miss Katie?
I don't know about how much she misses Katie, but she definitely misses one person on the set, that is Aba, Udayji.
We still have a group active on WhatsApp, and we generally all of us chat to each other. Of course, I missed the show because it was one of the shows which was really close to my heart, and then we started off, and then the whole timing, the whole energy, like we're back to winters right now. Mumbai में इतने winter नहीं होते, but this was the same time, you know, I could feel it in the air that, you know, ऐसा ही मौसम था जब हमने कृष्णदास का, even, you know, that the horse riding scene, and when we come to Naigaon, जो जगह थी जहाँ पे हम एक स्कूल में शूट कर, it was exactly this मौसम, you know, this like हल्की हल्की ठंडी जिसको कहते हैं गुलाबी ठंडी, you know, ऐसा ही मौसम था. तो you know sometimes when you smell the same perfume and you smell of somebody who had already put it, like when you know how it is, it's the same, the atmosphere is like the same thing, you know. I start feeling, I go back. Yes,
and I can feel it now. कितना explanation दी तूने.
तेरे को पता है ना मैं ऐसे ही बात करती हूँ. So it's like it's just like that. तो मुझे ऐसे वो ये मौसम में especially January में because this is when we started. This is when I was getting.
Bas, you lost the plot. She lost the plot.
This is when I was
The thing
getting.
is, she's nostalgic about it. Same weather.
This is when.
And I'm also right beside her right now.
25th January started.
So more the reason.
And you know, no Ray. So the entire show, the whole.
Sana, you lost the plot. She lost it.
He made me lose it. He made me lose it. I was saying something.
She loves you people, and she misses KD. She wishes that she could still do KD. And yes, one thing I just want to say about KD is that has been one show where I gelled up with everybody probably on the show, like really fast, really quick, which didn't happen for me on the other shows. It took time, though I gelled, and never really sat for lunches together, which I did on that show. So it's a real special show. I do miss that show, and people around. Abba, I miss you. Most of the people I miss. KD, I miss you, and I miss Mihir. Mihir तो मेरे बात होती रहती है, जो मेरे पापा जिन्होंने play किया है. Otherwise, I genuinely miss the whole show. Thank you. There have been jokes because my mom and dad have been behind my marriage. So KD में जब भी शादी होती थी या होने को होता था, मेरे मम्मी के रिश्तेदार जो होते थे फ़ोन करते थे, अरे आपने आपके बेटे की शादी तो बुलाया नहीं, आपके बेटे की शादी हो रही है. तो मम्मी को मतलब ऐसे ही काउंट मारते थे मेरे मम्मी के रिश्तेदार.
अच्छा वैसा.
Thank you.
Would you like to give a message for your Real Vision fans?
Okay, ये होगी. To all the Real Vision, first of all, I really want to wish Rakesh. He's kind of started off and started to get some momentum in his work, and I just want to start off with saying Rakesh has started his the Real Vision venture or whatever it is. I just want to wish him lots of luck. He's a hard worker that I've noticed from quite some time. And all the viewers who watch Real Vision, I just want you guys to watch Real Vision and make it a bigger success. And for all these gifts, what I've got, it really means a lot to me. But I really want to say, again on a very serious note, do not really send gifts. I can figure out that you people are like really young or teenagers, so just cross teens. I don't want you to spend your money on all these things. You can just send us a card, that's more than enough. But thank you for all of this. I would really very carefully keep it at very safe corners. And thanks for all the love. I'm humbled, I can say. Rakesh, your phone is ringing. And thank you so much. Thank you so much. That's all I want to say. Thank you so much.
Yeah, and of course, since Rakesh has started Real Vision, I think this is our first interview after that because first of all, I'm really sorry I couldn't attend the launch party. I really wanted to, but then I don't know, somehow I couldn't attend.
No, if you wanted to, you would have.
Okay, and he didn't attend it as well. So
No, I was not in town.
I was busy with something, yeah, but still I wanted to, and he knows that we are always there for him, and I think we've not like sat like this and actually given an interview after Krishna Dasi. This is the first ever interview, and a lot of people have been asking us to do this, but Rakesh has been special, others are also special, but we are just starting off with Rakesh, and because he has started his own channel, this is the only reason that we feel so close to this channel. And guys, please, for all the gossip, masti, interviews, दूसरों के भी, दूसरे TV artists के भी ज़रूर Real Vision देखते रहिए. And thank you so much for showering all your love, even after Krishna Dasi, even to us as a jodi. Thank you so much from both of us, and yeah, till we meet again.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.